Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hi guys, it's me again, back with a new video. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to permanently delete your Facebook account. So first that we're going to do, open our Facebook account and then click on Profile. Then browse down and you will see there an option of Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then after that one, it will show you another options. Click on Settings, and there is a lot of options here. So we will choose Access and Control. It manages your data, modify your legacy contact, and deactivate or delete your account, and many more. So let's click on it, and there you go. So there are three options there: memorialization settings, deactivation and deletion, and reactivation. So I will be choosing the activation and deletion option. Click on it, and then you will see there two options: deactivate account or delete account. So we are talking here on how to permanently delete your account. So let's click on delete account. For that one, just click the continue to account deletion. Okay, and there you go. They will give you some options and ask what's the reason behind deleting your account. We have there, I spend too much time on Facebook, I have a privacy concern, I don't feel safe on Facebook, my account was hacked, or I am no longer find Facebook useful. So I'll be choosing I spend too much time on Facebook. Let's click on it, and then so it will ask you again, manage your notifications. So let's continue to account deletion, and let's wait here. So permanent delete account. Once the deletion process has begun, you won't be able to reactivate your account or retrieve any account or any content or information you've added on your Facebook account. So if you're sure of it, just click the delete account, and then it will ask for your password. Just input your password there and click continue to delete your account. By the way, after deleting your account, you still have 30 days to reactivate your account. And then after 30 days that you haven't reactivated your account will be deleted forever and it will no longer be recovered. And I guess that's it.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.